Are you tired of feeling trapped by a sedentary lifestyle? It's all too common. The weight gain, the loss of energy, the feeling of being held back by your own body. You might have tried various exercise routines, but let's face it, not all workouts are created equal. If you could do one thing to improve your health, strength training should be at the top of your list. It involves using one or more muscle groups to perform a specific task, such as lifting a weight or squatting. Introducing our revolutionary online fitness program, designed for you to learn and transform anytime, anywhere. With our program, you're not tied to a gym or a specific schedule. You have the freedom to shape your fitness journey according to your life. Imagine having the strength and mobility to do what you love without limitations. Our expert trainers Ro Little will guide you every step of the way, ensuring you have the right techniques to prevent injuries and maximize results. Say goodbye to the frustrations of fad diets and fleeting results. Embrace a program that's backed by science and designed for real, sustainable change. Don't let another day go by without taking control of your health and fitness journey. Experience the difference of strength and mobility training today. Transform your life with strength and mobility training. Click here or the link below to join our program.